Good morning, traders. It is 10 o'clock on the 17th of September. It is Monday morning, and the information contained herein is of a general nature only and is not intended to address the circumstance of any particular individual or entity. I'm not liable for your losses. Thank you very much. Let's go. Attack. This one. Good news. Maybe. Unless it does this, which is just like this week. It's like, you ladies out there, when you finally get a dude back home to your place and he has a limp dick. This here. Sell. Sell, 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 sell. See you, sell. There you go. Alright. All the indicators are saying, yeah, that's a pretty sweet opportunity. If I'm not mistaken, which I often am, this is a new, no, I was mistaken. Fantastic. This is a bit shit. So, again, this goes against my rule of never trading at a new high or low. So it is kind of hitting a new, it is kind of at a low, like this here, this one here. But 50 pips, there's 50 pips of potential downside. That's solid. I want to see this candle though. This candle that's happening now. So what is it? 11 a.m. candle on the 17th of September. Is it PA reversal? If no, sell. There we go. What I mean by that, so this, when this happens, it often keeps going up. So let's see if I can find an example. This one here, this is a good one. So it did this, granted all the other factors weren't in line as well, but just looking at the price action here, it did this, and then it did this, it engulfed. See, so this one closed slightly above where this one opened. The green one closed slightly above where the red one opened. So after that, it had a bit of a weird moment, and then kept going up. Same thing here, it engulfed the whole thing, and then it went down for a little bit longer. And then here you had, I think they're called soldiers. No, soldiers is when, so if the candle sizes were backwards, it'd be a soldier. So when you have a little green candle and then a slightly larger green candle and then a really big green candle, and the third green candle breaks above the red drop, that's called like 3 soldiers, and that says yes, buy it. It's a reversal pattern. This is good, but a bit weak. So I want to wait a bit. Wait till like 2 o'clock. This one. Probably going to be good news. Good news, good news, good news. Shit news. Same thing. Just wait a bit. So, at 10 a.m. on 17th September, I said maybe sell at 2. Why? I'm looking for that the 2 moving averages to cross. I'm looking for this to keep doing its thing, and this here to rise up a bit. So I know that there's going to be a bit more strength to the trend. Let's see. What this one has to do. Yes, so like that's stochastic, it's peaked quite often. It reverses after that. Next. Consolidation. Yeah, no, don't like it. This one, good sign. Broke above the 20 moving average, simple moving average, and they are in order. This is trending up. This is buy. This is nothing. This is weak. So, no. Whoa. Sell, weak. Sell maybe. Yeah, no. Dude, this is really shit. Interesting. A lot of these pairs are doing this, man. A lot of these pairs, like, there's a lot of congruence, but the ADX is not strong. And it's kind of flattened out, and today's, like this first candle that's forming now is an upward one. Right. Some of these markets might be closed as well, because it's so early on Monday morning in Australia. So I don't really know what's going to happen. Like I can't place a market order if the market's closed, and then it's going to open. It could open fuck off wherever it wants. It could open here, it could open here. So yeah, just next one. Last one. This is going to be a short video today, huh? No. Look at this one. Failure, huh? Failure. So let's see why I predicted a consolidation. Let's see why I predicted a consolidation, and that didn't happen. Disagreement, flat, skinny, weak. Yeah, if you check out, same thing here. Yeah. How many movements is that? Let's see. Holy shit, that was a big mistake. Okay. Just trying to analyze why I fucked this trade up. Why I didn't take this opportunity when it was so overwhelmingly good. This here, not really saying anything, nor is this, nor is this. This says it's, when it's really thin, there's not a lot of volatility and it's sideways, so it's, yeah, it's consolidation. Disagreement. Is this the time? I looked at it on Thursday afternoon. So the 13th at like 11 o'clock. Here. So these red candles where I was looking at it. So, yeah. You can't really blame me for having missed this trade here. Like, I couldn't have predicted that it within the space of a day, it would have made fucking phenomenal results. Here though. Here. Around here. I probably could have seen this. So, here, this is in order. It's above. It's only 2 candles into the trend. The parabolic and the super trend are saying buy. This here is growing, and this here is growing as well. So, let's say I got it into it here. 70 pips, 80 pips. So this is like where was I? Okay. Yeah, I was away. So were I not fart-assing around on holiday, I could have gotten this solid trade. Then what would have happened is, would have gone to here, and then this reversal I'd start being a little bit concerned. Okay, so no, it would have been 2 in the morning. I would have looked at it again here. Shit, that's mad. So at this point, this big red candle that just happened here, that's when I would have gotten the chance to look at it again. What would happen? Well, the parabolic SAR just formed up here. This is flat, the super trend. These are still in order, but this is a big sell signal, and also, this being so high, it's yeah, 64 is a really fucking powerful ADX. So here I'd start to get a bit concerned, and I would have moved my stop loss up to. Can I even do that? No. Okay, so don't worry about the stop loss. That's finished. Done with the reward. I would move my stop loss up to about here. So what would have happened? It would have gone up, hit this point, and then here. So 71 pips. I would have made 71 pips from this trade, because around here would have hit the stop loss. And then now it's kind of sideways moving. You know, that's it. That's all the cross pairs. No trades today, except maybe that Australian dollar CAD. I'm gonna have another look at it since I didn't find anything else better.